In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to move content up, left, right, and to the bottom using negative margins. Today's tutorial is made possible by divicake.com. Check out their huge selection of Divi themes, layouts, and plugins. The link is in the description below. Okay, so let's start off by adding our columns. So I'm going to come over here and add 3 columns. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add an image in here, but it doesn't matter which modules you use for this to work. Right, so I'm just going to click on upload, choose an image. In fact, I'll go with this one. Upload an image, save that, and then I'm going to duplicate this, drag it over here, and then I'm just going to change the image by going into the settings, clicking upload, then I'll choose a different one. Okay, so now I have my images in place. So let's say I need to add a text module in the middle here, and we'd like to move that in different directions. So all you got to do is to come over here, add your text module. I'm just going to search for it, select it, and then I'm going to paste my bunch of text in here like that. So if you want to move this, you have to use what are known as negative margins. So to get that, you need to click on design, spacing, and then over here where we get the margins, this is where you start adding all your information. Now, let's say you want to move this over here to the left. So where you want to go is over here on the left, and then you need to add a negative number. So let's say minus 100. So you can see here, as soon as I've added minus 100, all that text has moved over towards the left image. Okay, so you can always adjust this until you're happy with the positioning. Okay, now if you want this to be moved upwards, all you got to do is to come over here to margin top, and then you can just add your minus, let's say 60. So now it's right there at the top. Okay, so of course this doesn't really look nice. So what we can do here is to just add a background to it. So I'm just going to come back over here to our content, click on background, and I'm going to add a background color. So that's going to be my background color. And then I'm just going to come back over here and go into our spacing. And then I'm just going to add some margins. So I think I'll just add 20 all around. So this just adds some breathing space inside that. And then all I have to do now is to change my text color from dark to light. Okay, so you can see here we've just changed the positioning of this text module. Okay, so again, if I come back over here to my spacing, I mean these, you can always go to the bottom here if you wanted to, but of course you want to get rid of the top if you want to move this to the bottom. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and save. Now, let's say you wanted to do the same thing that we've done here on rows. Absolutely, you could do that. So I'm going to come over here, and just to make sure that we can see the differences of where we're working, I'm just going to add a color to this section. So I'm going to come over here to my section settings, click on background, and I'm just going to add a color to that, like that. And then I'm going to save. Now I'm going to add a brand new row by clicking this plus button, single row, and then we are going to add a video. Okay, so I'm going to come over here and add my URL. I'm just going to paste it like that, and there we have our video. Great, so I'm just going to go ahead and save. And now let's say I need to move this video up here. What I can do is to come over here into my row settings, click on design, spacing, and then I can always come here to my margin, and then I can add my negative margin. So I can just add, let's say, minus 100. So you can see as I'm adding it, my video is moving up. So this is how you move all your sections or modules left, right, top, or bottom using negative margins. Okay, so today's tutorial is made possible by divicake.com. Check out their huge selection of Divi themes, layouts, and plugins. Link is in the description below. All right, so there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and do subscribe on our YouTube channel, and make sure you press the bell notification. By doing that, you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Until next time, thanks for watching and see you soon.